Rose Vanilla Iced Latte. The floral coffee you need to try. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a Rose Vanilla Iced Latte, a delicate and refreshing drink with a beautiful floral twist. Smooth espresso meets sweet vanilla and subtle rose flavor for a café-style treat that feels elegant and unique. If you love creative coffee drinks, this one is a must-try. Let's get started and sip something special today. Ingredients: 1 shot of espresso or U-Cup strong brewed coffee, chilled, 1 cup milk of your choice, 2 teaspoons vanilla syrup or extract, 1 teaspoon food-grade rose water or rose syrup, ice optional dried rose petals for garnish. Directions: start by filling a tall glass with ice. In the bottom of the glass, add the vanilla syrup and rose water. Stir gently to combine the sweet and floral flavors. Be careful not to add too much rose water, as it can become overpowering. Next, pour in the milk slowly over the ice. You can use whole milk, oat milk, or almond milk depending on your preference. This creates a creamy base for your latte. Brew your espresso and let it cool slightly. Then slowly pour it over the milk to create a beautiful layered effect. The dark espresso will sit on top before blending. Give the drink a gentle stir to combine all the flavors. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish with a few dried rose petals or a light drizzle of vanilla syrup. And that's your Rose Vanilla Iced Latte. Smooth, floral, and absolutely refreshing. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your coffee-loving friends. It's perfect for a relaxing treat or a fancy cafe moment at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious and creative coffee recipe. Happy sipping! Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 coffee lover.